In this video, I will show you how to generate XML sitemap. Visit this website and here click on this tool XML sitemap generator. It's completely free. You can generate XML sitemap and here select how many pages do I need to crawl. So select like 1000, enter a domain name. Modify date not include, changes frequency. You can make it or leave as default these all things. Then just click on generate sitemap. Now wait for a few seconds. It's generating. So here we can see sitemap generated for 73 links. Now you can save as XML file. You can visit here. So this website is completely free. You can generate as many times as you need sitemap for your website. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.